How to appear offline on Oculus app. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To appear offline on your Oculus, all you have to do is install the application called MetaQuest that is easily available for you in your Play Store or App Store in the case of an iOS device. Make sure you are logged into your Oculus application. Once you are logged in, click on the menu icon and head over to the settings. Click on the option of privacy setting from the list of options. Tap on active status. If it is toggled on the left, it is disabled, so make sure it is toggled to the right. And as you can see, it is appeared as online or offline based on the toggled direction. By this way, you can appear offline on Oculus app. If you do not have such feature, you can just search for MetaQuest in your App Store or Play Store and check out for any available update. If there is any, leave it for an update and try the process again. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.